Let's see how to maximize your lead generation efforts by using a simple Instagram story mentions automation powered by AI. So the idea is to just automatically send a DM when someone actually mention your Instagram profile on their stories and offer them special sort of discounts or any other things, and also collect their details as well. So this actually sent only one time for them, but if they keep mentioning you in the Instagram stories, they will actually receive just a thank you message using the AI. So for the first time, they will receive this sort of message asking them if they would like to get a special discount for the Instagram story mentions. And if they say yes, we will simply ask them for their phone number and send the special discount coupon in the phone number itself. But if they actually mentioning your Instagram profile again in another story some days later, at that point they will actually receive just a thank you message using created using the power of AI. So let's see how to use this one right here. So here, go to the settings. In settings, you will have the option of channels, and you have to make sure you connect your Instagram account, and after that you have this Instagram story mention reply. Automatically reply when someone mentioned your Instagram story in their story. Simple as that. So here you have to simply choose this particular flow we have created. So you can actually customize this one according to your own needs as well, but let's simply choose this one, Instagram story mentions leads over here. So here, this is the flow. Save it. All right, so let's see how this actually works. So here we have connected demo Chatbot media account over here. So let me open the Instagram profile over here. So I'm watching this particular account. So let me post a story on my Instagram profile tagging this particular account demo Chatbot media. So let me share this story right here and choose add to story and choose mentions over here. So let's choose mentions and choose a demo Chatbot media. So here I'm posting a story just mentioning this demo Chatbot media right here. So let me post it right away. Alright, I have just posted the story, and as you can see, we received the message as well. So here, this is the story I mentioned. Hi Robert, thanks for your mention. We are excited to have you. Since you tagged us for the first time, we would love to offer you the exclusive discount as a thank you. Would you like to claim it? So here, since this is the first time we actually received this sort of message, and let me tap on yes, I love it, and it says thanks Robert, can you share your phone number? So let me enter the phone number right here and see what happens. So now it should actually say you will receive your discount shortly via the SMS. So I can show that as well. So let me go to the omnichannel inbox over here, and here you can actually see all the conversation happening right here. And as you can see, this particular SMS is sent to the particular customer right here. So now if a particular customer tag us again, we should receive this sort of message. Instead of getting this sort of discount coupon message, we will actually receive a different message just thanking for Instagram story mentions. So let me actually do this once more time right here. So let me open this particular post, share this on the stories over here, and mention the profile demo Chatbot media. All right, and let me make sure we mentioning this particular profile right here, and let me type demo Chatbot media. All right, and let me post this story right here. Story has been added, and as you see, this time we received a different message. It says thank you so much for the shout out. Your support means the world to me. Grateful to have you in my corner. Blessed. So this time this particular message is actually generated using the AI right here. So that's how you can actually use Instagram story mentions to maximize lead generation efforts. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.